Welcome to a Goats and Boats instructional how-to. Before you board any vessel, please make sure you have some sort of flotation device or life vest to keep you safe. Now, for boarding the boat, first we're going to show you all the wrong ways to do it. This is the only proper way to board the boat. Make sure you're as close to the motor as possible and the boat is running when you do this. Always be careful when traversing among the boat. It's always a great time to have a cold one on the boat. Always make sure your indentured servant is aboard the boat. Oh, you're gonna start the boat and take us on a trip. Okay. Weird way of doing it. Felipe, no! Don't! Felipe, goddammit! Sorry about that. A few technical difficulties there. Before you drive the boat, you want to make sure that it's full on fuel. Make sure that the quality of your fuel is top-notch. Now we're going to show you how to fuel and start the boat. Just like that. Now, when starting the boat, make sure you put the key in the ignition. Make sure your motor sounds all right. That's sounding great. Now, I know this Goats and Boats instructional video has been mostly fun and games so far, but boating is serious business. People get hurt sometimes. Yeah. Now we're going to show you all the ways how to steer the boat. Steering left. Steering right. Little known fact, boats can only steer right. Now, when docking a boat, we say forget a dock. Just floor it straight into the land. Thanks for joining Goats and Boats. Boats and Goats during this instructional how-to video where we teach you how to drive a boat.